Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play King in Tekken 7. King is a powerful grappler known for his devastating throws and strong close-range attacks. To start, focus on his fundamental punches and kicks to establish pressure. Mastering his 10-hit combo is a great way to deal consistent damage and keep opponents on their toes. Remember, his throws are your primary tool for breaking through defenses and controlling the match flow. King's throws are his signature and most potent weapon, with over 20 unique variations. The giant swing, performed with forward +1/+2, is a high-damage throw you should prioritize. Additionally, learning his chain throws allows you to extend your combos and inflict significant pain. Varying your throw attempts is crucial. It prevents opponents from easily escaping and keeps them constantly on the defensive, creating openings for more damage. Beyond throws, King has several essential combos and punishers. His standing 2-1-2 is a quick and reliable string for immediate damage. The running 2, executed with forward +2, is excellent for carrying opponents to the wall for a wall splat. Continue practicing his 10-hit combo to maintain pressure and chip away at health. Always be ready to punish your opponent's missed attacks with a fast launcher to start your own devastating combo. To elevate your King gameplay, start incorporating advanced tactics. Learn to bait opponents into situations where your throws are guaranteed to land. Mix in his effective low attacks to break through their standing guard, creating opportunities for more damage. Experiment with his unblockable attacks to catch unsuspecting foes off guard for significant damage. Finally, understanding basic frame data will greatly improve your decision-making, allowing you to choose the safest and most impactful moves in any situation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.